Hi, it's Marvin. This morning I've got another 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40. I also have one booked for a bit later, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or not. We'll see how the first one goes. I expect they'll send us to Tewkesbury or Cheltenham like they normally do on the first block. We'll see after we've loaded up. So we've got 6 stops around Cheltenham, so it's not as far as usual. We've got a 7, a 4, which is age verified, a 5, a 6, an 8, and a 1 to finish off. All around Cheltenham, so not too far. Probably just use electric to get there and to deliver. Let's go. Hello. I remembered yours is the door that comes outwards.
Yeah, it's always confusing.
Here we go, all done for you.
Thank you. Have a
Cheers.
good day.
You too. Okay, let's go there.
Hello.
Hello, is that Joe?
Hello.
I've got your Morrison's delivery, but I've gone to the wrong address, so I'm bringing it to the address that it says in the notes. We don't see the notes until we get to the place. I don't.
Sorry, mate. I did ring Amazon and see if they could change it, and they said they were. But sorry about that.
That's all right. Once you've got the delivery, I think you can probably change it on the Amazon app or wherever you order from. But yeah.
Yeah.
The guy said it's not for me. Yeah, I'll be there in a couple of minutes.
Thank you.
Cheers, thanks, bye. Hiya. We follow like a pin on the map.
Yeah.
I've changed it to here, but it'll probably think that the other address is here. So hopefully they'll find you next time anyway.
Oh, brilliant, thank you.
If you double check on Amazon or in the app or whatever, make sure that your address is right. And then, got it? I need to ask you the year you were born.
1986.
Super. Lovely. All done.
Thank
Cheers.
you,
Bye. Three. Oh, thank you. Hello. Got your Morrison's for you.
Sorry.
That's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All done for you. Thanks. Hi. Thanks. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Thank you. Bye. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block completed in 1 hour 30 minutes. It was £40 for the block, so that makes it about £26 an hour, which isn't too bad. I used petrol going to the first stop and then electric for everything else, so that's hardly cost me anything at all. The only odd thing was the guy who'd made an order and then realised it was the wrong address, so he rang Amazon, told them it was a different address, but they didn't change the address for some reason. So I went to the original address, they said it wasn't there, then the notes popped up and said this is the address to go to. So I went there, rang him on the way, told him I was delivering, and then when I got there, you know, the little delivery location goes orange when you're not where it thinks you're supposed to deliver. So I had to move the pin to where I actually was so that it would allow me to deliver it. Shouldn't be a problem if he orders to the proper address next time. So that took a little bit longer, otherwise I would have been finished quite a bit earlier. If you enjoy these ride along videos, give this one a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks to do with Amazon Flex. See you next time.